If you're like me, there's nothing quite like that first cup of coffee at camp. Fresh air, crackling fire, and a percolator brewing away. But finding the right camping coffee percolator can be tricky. That's why I've done the research and narrowed it down to the 10 best camping coffee percolators available right now. So let's dive in and see which one is the perfect fit for your next outdoor adventure. Starting off the list is the ultra-lightweight GSI Outdoors Camping Coffee Percolator, weighing just 1.6 ounces. This compact brewer is ideal for minimalist backpackers who still want a solid cup of coffee. Made from durable stainless steel, it's designed to withstand rugged use, and with a 3-cup capacity, it's perfect for solo trips or sharing with a friend. Its lightweight and dependable build make it a great pick for those who pack light but still crave morning coffee. Next is the Coletti Camping Coffee Percolator, built tough for serious campers. It boasts a generous 72 fluid ounce capacity, making it perfect for brewing coffee for the whole group. It's compatible with both gas and electric stovetops, plus it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup after your trip. This percolator has that classic campfire coffee vibe, but with modern practicality. Number 3. Stansport Aluminum Camping Percolator Coffee. If you're brewing for a crowd, the Stansport Aluminum Camping Percolator delivers big time. With a capacity ranging from 9 to 20 cups, this aluminum percolator is all about volume and speed. It heats up quickly, thanks to the lightweight aluminum construction, and includes a percolator stem and basket for classic-style brewing. It's simple, efficient, and gets the job done fast, making it a favorite for group camping, scout trips, or long mornings by the lake. Number 4. Elite Gourmet Classic Stovetop Camping Coffee Percolator. Now here's a blend of style and function. The Elite Gourmet Classic Stovetop Percolator, with a capacity of nearly 1.9 liters and a body made from stainless steel and glass. It's got a cool touch handle for safe handling. It's also programmable, which gives you extra control, even when you're off the grid. Lightweight, durable, and sleek. It's a great fit for campers who want a little luxury with their brew. Rounding out the first half of the list is the MEREZA Camping Coffee Percolator, built with practicality in mind. It's portable, durable, and compatible with both gas and electric stovetops. This stainless steel model skips aluminum and plastic entirely, focusing instead on safe, long-lasting construction. Its compact size, about 4.92 by 6.7 inches, makes it easy to pack, while the 1,000-watt heat rating ensures quick brewing. Next up is a trusted name in classic coffee gear, the Farberware Stainless Steel Camping Coffee Percolator. With a 12-cup capacity and sturdy stainless steel construction, this one's built to last through many camping seasons. It includes a permanent filter, so you don't have to worry about packing paper filters or creating waste. The design is traditional, yet reliable, and it works great over a camp stove or fire grate. At 2.5 pounds, it's not ultralight, but it's well worth it if you're brewing for a group. Number 7. Coleman Lightweight Camping Coffee Percolator. From a brand known for outdoor reliability, the Coleman Lightweight Camping Coffee Percolator is another 12-cup workhorse, perfect for families or larger groups. Despite its generous capacity, it's still relatively light at just 2.2 pounds. It features a reusable filter and a programmable brewing function, which isn't something you see often in stovetop percolators. It's made of rugged stainless steel and designed to withstand the demands of the outdoors. Number 8. Mixpresso Stainless Steel Camping Coffee Percolator. If compact and versatile is what you're after, check out the Mixpresso Stainless Steel Camping Coffee Percolator, with a capacity of 5 to 8 cups and a reusable stainless steel filter. This one's perfect for small groups or couples. The build quality is solid, using 304 stainless steel, and it includes a cool touch handle to keep your hands safe during pouring. Designed to be both portable and durable, it works smoothly over camp stoves and heats evenly. Number 9. Primula Aluminum Camping Coffee Percolator. The Primula Aluminum Camping Coffee Percolator is one of the lightest on this list, weighing only 12 ounces, yet still holds up to 9 cups of coffee. Its aluminum construction allows for fast heating, which is great when you're eager for that first sip. It's compatible with stovetop setups, and the compact design makes it a top choice for hikers or anyone tight on space. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, its simplicity and lightweight design make it a go-to for minimalists who still want rich percolated coffee. Finishing off the list is the Bestargot Camping Coffee Percolator, a unique blend of stainless steel and titanium, which makes it both incredibly durable and impressively light at just 7.7 ounces. With a capacity of 750 milliliters, it's perfect for solo campers or lightweight travelers who don't want to compromise on their coffee. The sleek design looks great, and it heats up quickly thanks to the metal blend. There you have it, 10 of the best camping coffee percolators that blend durability, capacity, and ease of use to give you that perfect cup outdoors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest gear reviews tailored for outdoor lovers like you. Got questions or a favorite percolator not on the list? Drop a comment below.